In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a license plate light lens on your Toyota Tundra, located in the rear bumper. Remove the Phillips head screw using a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull the light from the back and then push backwards. Twist the connector counterclockwise. Remove the light lens. Grab the new light lens. Install it by twisting it 45 degrees clockwise. Install it this end first and then push in. And then install your Phillips head screw.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.